MCAT 2015 Cram. Physical Foundations question. Flashcard 39. How far? Velocity, kinematics. All right, let's delve into the question. An ambulance is currently traveling at 15 meters per second and is accelerating with a constant acceleration of 5 meters per second. The ambulance is attempting to pass a convertible which is moving at a constant velocity of 30 meters per second. How far must the ambulance travel until it matches the car's velocity? Is it A, 90 meters, B, 67.5 meters, C, 45 meters, or D, 67.5 kilometers? I'll give you a moment to think. Definitely press pause if you need to. All right, hopefully by now you're able to set up your equations and do some algebraic manipulation to get the correct solution. But if you haven't, that's fine. Let's look at the solution steps now. Okay, so in order to find the correct displacement with constant acceleration, we can use the formula d is equivalent to delta t times v sub a, where the d represents displacement, delta t the change in time, and v sub a is average velocity. Our delta t should just simply be the time it takes for the ambulance to go from 15 meters per second to 30 meters per second at an acceleration of 5 meters per second. Okay? Or we can use the kinematics formula, delta V equals A times delta T. Or 15 meters per second, because that's our change in velocity, is equivalent to 5 meters per second times delta T. And we get that our delta T is going to be 3 seconds, okay? So that's out of the way. Let's find the other missing variables. So v sub a is simply the average velocity, which we can calculate using this equation, 1/2 times v sub f plus v sub I, where v sub f stands for final velocity, which is 30 meters per second, and v sub I stands for our initial velocity, which is 15 meters per second. Or we can just plug them in and we get that our v sub a, our average velocity, is equivalent to 22.5 meters per second. All right, so using our initial formula, we can just plug in the variables that we found. So displacement equals 3 seconds times 22.5 meters per second, or just simply 67.5 meters. So the correct answer choice is going to be B, 67.5 meters. Okay? All right,